Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of whether your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID banner, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to sign out your Apple ID, and then sign it again, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the password like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID, and then you have to scroll it on, and then you have to tap on password and security, and from here you have to change your password. Just simply tap on change password, and then you have to put your passcode, and here you have to enter new password, and here you have to verify your new password, and then you have to tap on change, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form select is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on the Apple ID, and then you have to tap on media and purchases, and then you have to tap on view account, and then you have to tap on change country or region, then again tap on change country or region, and from here you have to select your country which you have given in your bank account or debit or credit card. So you have to select the same country from here like this, and then you have to read the terms and condition. So you have to read it carefully, and then you have to tap on agree, and then again tap on agree. Now you have to select your payment method. I'm selecting at none. If you have any payment method, then you can select your payment method, and here you have to put your billing address. You can put fake one. Here you can put fake one. So from here you can select your city, and here you have to put postcode of your city. If you don't know about the postcode, then you can search on Safari browser or another browser. In case of mine, it's, and then you have to put the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and after that tap on next, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if our form still is there, then what you need to do is just simply open Safari browser or another browser. Then you have to search for sportapple.com. You have to search for this, and then you have to wait for a while from here, and then you have to tap on this one. Now you have to wait for a while, then scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on start now, get sport, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and you have to tap on find your carrier. So you have to select your carrier, like I'm selecting this one, and from here you can report them, and you can easily fix your problem from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.